Hello there folks, today I am at Stover Park. As you can see behind me there's a lovely lake here, and I've been here for 2 days, and yesterday I took several pictures of wildlife in the area. I have got my camera as well today, just in case I see something special. I'm going to have a little walk around and take some videos, and at the end of the video there will be a 360 degree done by the drone. So there'll be some drone footage, some wildlife of the area, and several short videos of the area of Stover Park. It's absolutely splendid area to be in. It's not far from the A38 and between Bovey and Newton Abbot, and you wouldn't think you're so close to the main roads here. So I hope you enjoy the film. That I'm going to put quite a bit of work in, I think, on this film, and hopefully it'll be a good one. So I hope you enjoy. The wildlife in the area is very, very tame. The robins, the geese, the ducks. But you must remember not to feed the wild birds, especially the ducks. It does actually have a sign at the start of the trail that you must not feed the ducks. There are plenty of information boards around, which is very useful. certainly plenty here to see at Stover, but unfortunately today the weather's brought all the noisy people out. But they've got as much right to be here as what I have. Yesterday I was walking around, it was virtually just me and nobody else, and it's certainly looking very good today. And it's actually nice to see plenty of people around with their binoculars, but unfortunately there's a few noisy dogs in the area. That's another path that I'll explore one day. It just goes further east from Stover. You can also join up the cycle trail as well. The Templar Way, I think it's called. So many nice places here at Stover. This is an interesting horse and carriage. There's several little bits like this around Stover. Certainly worth a visit. I'm sat about 12 foot away from a gull. A very friendly gull, just having a little prune. I'm just sat on one of the many benches that are in the area. In front of me I've got plenty of ducks, a few coots and never birds. Just a nice place to be.